So today we are going to be making okra soup. So you need okra and some other ingredients which are pictured here. Firstly, you boil your meat with some salt, seasoning cubes and onion. I don't like adding ginger and garlic to my soups, so I didn't add any. So I'll just allow the meat boil and cook in its juices before I add water that will cook it till tender. So I'm just gonna stir this so that the seasoning and salt will be well distributed. The meat is well cooked and soft. So in the pot, I'm going to add some palm oil, allow it to heat a little. I'll add my onion and the daddawa. So you add your grated pepper mix. That pepper mix is just atargu and onion. So you just allow everything to fry well. Then you go ahead and add your salt and your bouillon cube. Once it is well fried, you add your boiled meat and the meat stock. So I'm not going to be adding any water. I don't want my soup to be too watery. I'll just cook it in the meat stock. So there is this thing I do when I'm making okra. I prefer grating half of it and slicing half because I love the texture, like the crunchiness. So you are just going to allow it steam. Cover your pot, allow it to steam. Then you open it, stir. If you need more water, you add. You check the taste if you need more salt or just adjust it to your taste, and your okra soup is ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more recipes, for more videos, and you can recommend. Just tell me what you want to see next and I'll try my best to bring it to you. So enjoy. Bye.